Hey LTK, come on into my home.
Hi, my name is Hoáng-Kim and my LTK shop is at HK-Kung. For me, this holiday season, I'm preparing my LTK shop by making sure my gift guides are ready to go. I love the new product sets and how gift guides are incorporated that way. When it comes to decorating for the holidays, I actually like to think ahead 1 year, which sounds kind of crazy, but as I'm putting up my holiday decor, I think, hey, what do I want for next year? And I like to pick a color. That way, as fall starts rolling around, I can start shopping and putting everything together. So this year we went back to a more green theme. I haven't done it in a couple of years, getting creative and having fun with it. Our tree is still new. We just got it last year, so that's still my favorite, and I love it because it's so tall. I say a garland can make any room feel festive, whether you just have 1 or 2 pieces. I feel like a really beautiful, high-quality garland can make any room feel cozy and ready for the holidays. I do have a favorite garland linked on my LTK shop, and it's right here. For new creators, really leaning into those keywords and posting consistently is so important. I remember forever ago when the LIKEtoKNOW.it app finally launched, how many people were following them. I was shocked at how many people were already following me on the app, and my LTK rep was saying it's because I always put those keywords in my captions. So make sure you're filling out those captions, popping in those keywords, and making sure you're posting consistently. Scheduling has been such a game changer for me, just getting it out of the way. I do it once a week, get it in, and I know I'm good to go. I really like how the gift guide feature this year is kind of more niche. So I know you can put as many products in there as you want, but I've really been enjoying how the titles are short, whereas when it's more vague or generic, it's like, okay, yes, gift guide for moms, but like what kind of mom? What do I get my mother-in-law versus my mom? So when you're specific, I feel like that's helped a lot. My top 3 hosting tips would be 1, try not to stress because you don't have to do absolutely everything. Set the table the night in advance, that way you don't worry about it. And 3, make sure you have fun, shoot your content beforehand with your family, get those beautiful family photos, and then enjoy. Thanks so much for coming into my home, y'all, and seeing all of my holiday decor. I hope you have an amazing holiday season.